In this video, I'm going to show you where to sell items and farm energy links in Once Human. So in case you want to get a lot of energy links, this is by far the easiest way to do it. Now, what I would suggest doing is first opening up your map and locating this thing over here, which is Mayor's Market, okay? Now, you want to teleport over here or to any other of these safe zones. It doesn't really matter. However, I prefer Mayor's Market because I think it's the easiest to access and to find. Now, once you teleport over here, you'll be spawned at this very location where I'm at right now. And what you want to do is run up this road over here. And then once you run up it, you want to turn left when you come to the top. So over here, turn to the left. And then you can already see this shop emoji over here, or this kind of shop sign. And you want to go to this dude over here and talk to him, okay? So you want to press F to talk to him and open up your shop, okay? So press shop, there we go. And up here, you want to switch to the second tab, which is sell, okay? Now you want to click sell. And then in here, you have three options. You can sell materials, consumables, or tools. Now it will always show you things you have in your inventory. And once you click on things, you will be able to see how much you'll be able to farm from it. So how much energy links you'll be able to get from selling certain items. Now as you can see, it differs from item to item. And if you want to get a lot of it, I would actually recommend, if you're able to get the specialization to be able to smelt silver and gold ingots and sell these, because as you can see, you can sell basically just 8 ingots for almost 50,000 energy links. And then you press confirm, as I just did, and as you can see, I just sold my silver. And you can sell the way I just did. You can sell anything this way. Now once you've done that, that's it. You can exit the shop and go your way. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.